To fix the KitchenAid oven error code F6E0, follow these steps. First, understand that this error code typically indicates a communication issue between the oven's control board and the user interface. Begin by turning off the oven and unplugging it from the power source to ensure your safety while working on the appliance. Next, check the wiring connections between the control board and the user interface. Verify that all connections are secure and not damaged. If you find any loose or damaged wires, repair or replace them as needed. After checking the wiring, plug in the oven and turn it back on. If the error code persists, the issue may be with the control board or the user interface itself. In this case, you may need to replace one or both of these components. It is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional appliance repair technician. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, they can provide guidance and assistance to resolve the issue. Additionally, always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances, and make sure to unplug the oven before starting any repair work. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the KitchenAid oven error code F6E0 and get your oven working properly. Again, remember to also check for any software updates for your oven, as sometimes a simple update can resolve communication issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be worth contacting KitchenAid support for further assistance. In any case, fixing the error code F6E0 requires patience and attention to detail. But with the right guidance, you can get your KitchenAid oven up and running in no time.